Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kayla Alfidiniar Andara and I'm from class A and my NPM is 2522111008. So here in this video I will explain the result of my critical reflection during phonetics and phonology class. So in this phonetics and phonology course, I learned many new things that I had never learned before, such as the speech mechanism, which explain how human organs actually produce sounds, their articulation, such as the types in place of articulation, including the bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, palatal, and velar. Meanwhile, and manner of articulation, uh, including the stop, fricative, affricate, nasal, approximant, and lateral. I also studied the classification of sounds, namely vowels, which are further grouped into monophthongs and diphthongs, totaling 21 sounds, and there are groups of consonant sounds totaling 24. I studied them using IPA chart that make it easier to understand. Then, in this course, I learned how the intonation of each word can be different, how the rise and fall of intonation in sentence varies, and learned how sounds or sentence we say can turn out to be visually with the help of technology. And I found the experience of studying and interacting with Miss Agis very enjoyable. Her active and expressive approach in delivering the lessons really helped me understand them more quickly and easily. All of Miss Agis' phonetics and phonology lessons were delivered directly by her when explaining the lessons, so I, as a student, could pay attention to how each sound should be pronounced. Every intonation was very comfortable to hear, allowing me to imitate it. This truly can help my study journey for my future career to become an English teacher or maybe another career that will need my clear pronunciation in English. Every assignment given was always given clear instructions and did not confuse us. It helps me to train myself to do assignments or maybe even in the future by giving assignments in well structured too. I also learn and realize interesting thing. First, I realized that every word or sounds we produce from our mouths involves rapid change in movement, whether it's the movement of tongue, teeth, lips, or even jaw, which I had never paid attention to before. Second, I found it interesting to learn that every word or sentence we say actually has a specific theory or intonation pattern that allows it to be produced or heard comfortably. Third, I just learned that every sound or sentence we say actually can be displayed visually, and that was very interesting. And for my challenges in studying phonetics and phonology is having to practice some sounds we rarely use in Indonesia, such as the or the sounds. However, this can be overcome by continuing the practice and getting used to using the sound. And another challenge for me is memorizing the difference between place of articulation and manner of articulation, as these types of articulations are easily confused. However, the solution is to understand them slowly, which makes it easier to remember the difference. So, uh, overall, I really enjoyed the phonetics and phonology course because not only were the lessons interesting, but they were also well conveyed by Miss Agis. Every time she taught, Miss Agis always delivered it a friendly and interactively. So I say thank you for it. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.